we are going to start with the Turtlesim project. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end so that you don't miss any concept. So what we are going to do in this particular video, we have created a custom Turtlesim node in the previous video, but in this video we will start with a simple project. Using the Turtlesim, we will draw custom shapes like a square and a circle, and we will draw these shapes using two turtles. In the previous video we used only one turtle, but now we are using two turtles, so it will be a good practice for you. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's understand the code. Here we have created the node which is used to create the shapes, and we have created the publisher, that is for the turtle 1 and then for the turtle 2, because we are going to use two turtles, and where these topics are coming from using ROS2 topic list. So whenever you want to use any topic, you can get it using ROS2 topic list. So that's the way to get it. And then we are writing a simple program for it. For example, we are displaying one message on the terminal that the turtle will move forward, and then we are giving the linear velocity as 2 and then angular velocity 0, because here we want to create a square or draw a square. So for that reason, at the beginning it will draw one line, and then the turtle will turn 90 degrees, that is 1.57 in angular, and then again it will move forward in the upward direction, and then again it will move forward, and likewise it will create and complete the square. And after that we want to draw another shape. So here you can draw any shape as per your logic, but we are creating a circle here. In the previous video we created a circle using the turtle which didn't stop, but here we have used the for loop. So the reason behind that is that, like, whenever the circle is drawn, the turtle will stop after some time. So here the turtle will move smoothly without any lag. So for example, if we move the turtle by simply giving the commands as per the creation of the square, the turtle will not stop after creating the circle. We have to give the another stop command, but this is the more optimal way to create a circle. But if I explain this, then we are creating 72 steps for the circle creation, and we can like 72 into 0.1 seconds, so it gives 7.2 seconds. So the circle will be completed in 7.2 seconds, and afterwards it will stop. So here also we have printed circle completed and stopping the turtle 2. So turtle 2 will be stopped after creating the circle, and the linear and angular velocity will be 0. So in this way we are going to create the circle and the square. So that was the short explanation. And again, if I explain about this particular function, we have discussed it in the previous node creation part, where I created a node from the complete beginning and explained in detail all the functions which are used in many nodes. Like, the format of the node is similar, but we have to just change the logic. So you can get back to the node creation part and understand it. This particular video is for the Turtlesim project part, like starting from the shape creation, and then we will move to the joystick part in the upcoming videos, and then to the next part as well. So hope you got it. So now if we run the Turtlesim ROS2, let's call the another turtle. You can use this command for the another turtle. Get it to the front of the screen. Okay. Now ROS2 run. The name of the package is Turtlesim Project. Qualcomm build part first. Okay. ROS2 run. Turtlesim Project, then teleport shapes.py. So that is the node command to run the node, that is teleport shapes.py. And if I run it, you can see that the turtle is moving to create the square. Here we have also given the delay whenever it rotates to make the square, and then takes a delay of 1 millisecond, and then again it starts moving forward and then rotates again likewise, and it created the square. So in this way we have created the custom shape node for the Turtlesim. You can try out on your own similarly by creating different shapes, and let me know in the comments below if you have any doubts, or you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram as well. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.